हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम देखते हैं कि SMC ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पे फंड ट्रांसफर कैसे किया जाता है। सो आइए, लेट्स गो ऑन टू द डैशबोर्ड। सो हियर वी हैव ओपनड आवर ऐप एंड इफ यू सी दिस विल बी योर डैशबोर्ड। We will go on the top 3 lines on the top left corner. We will press this. Then we'll go to transfer funds. We'll go to net banking. Because I am dealing in equities, I will select equities. I will select HDFC Bank. My bank is direct. This is the account. Say for example, I want to transfer the amount. This. Submit it. It has asked customer ID. This it will ask for an OTP 783425. This has been done. I will take a screenshot of it. I will share it with my team or my manager to update it into the systems. Okay, so this I am done. So I will again go to dashboard. It takes some time to update, maybe half an hour or so. If you have already traded it, you will click fetch to order status, but since I have not done any order, so therefore nothing is coming here. If there is any limit, I will just click here because there are no funds, so there is no limit. Are there any stock cushions to it? There are no stock cushions to it. This is how it happens. And this is the dashboard. You can then see, you can also make a fund transfer by clicking here. So this is one of the same thing that you can see. Say if you want to go to the back office, you could go to the back office and then you can also log in. So this is another thing that you can do at the back end. The stocks that you transfer can be seen over here. So for example, if I have transferred it from one portfolio to here, so I can then check here how it is. Thank you friends.